Hi, I'm Samyukta and social media assistant. Can you explain about yourself briefly?
I'm Chandrani. I am a Master of Business Administration graduate. I have my own company and I also paint in my free time.
What is your association with Pegasus?
The Mrs. Chandana Khan, she is the member of my undergrad university alumni. So from there we have got to know each other, and since I already paint, so I approached Miss Sunita, so that I approached Miss Sunita if we can have an exhibition in Pegasus Art Gallery, and she has been kind enough to allow me to have an exhibition of my paintings, which is how this started.
Thank you. Can you explain about your paintings, 2 to 3 lines briefly?
Sure. Through my paintings, what I want is my viewers to connect with the paintings through the emotions that I have, tried to depict in the paintings. So if you see all the paintings under the trance series, there my muse is dancing with what we call in Bengali dhunuchi. So what I want my users to feel when they look at the painting is the devotion and the emotion with which they are dancing. So that is how I have tried to depict my painting. The other paintings I have tried to connect with my viewers through the concept or through the meaning of the painting. So when they see the painting, they should have some thoughts of their own, which is what I have tried to do.
Can you explain about 2 to 3 lines?
Sure. So this painting actually is my interpretation of Satyajit Ray's very famous movie Pather Pachali. This is Opu and Durga, who are the two main characters in the movie, and this is a very famous scene which I have interpreted in my own way, and I have tried to depict in that way. And I have also kept my idea of the dhunuchi which you will see during Durga Puja here, and I have tried to integrate this whole feeling of autumn. This is in West Bengal during autumn season. You'll see these kash flowers coming in. So I try to integrate this whole feeling of the onstart of autumn, and the Durga Puja also happens at around that time. So I try to integrate the whole thing and depict it in my own way.
Thank you so much for sharing your painting details, everything. Thank you.